Hi, and welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Root Cause Problem Solving. My name is Jane Elvier, and I've been working with leaders and team members for many years to help them improve processes for problem solving and decision making. It can often be difficult to identify and solve issues in your organization, but root cause problem solving provides a useful framework, and I'm excited to show you the process. This course is for team leaders and employees who need a structured framework for problem solving in their organization. We'll start by defining the 4 phases of root cause problem solving and identifying all the questions that should be answered to fully define a problem. We'll also identify questions that should be avoided in this phase. Then, we'll conduct a structured search to understand why a problem occurred, identify the root cause or causes of a problem, and apply best practices in root cause analysis. Next, we'll use tools to prioritize root causes with the largest potential impact and use the solution framework to create an implementation plan. In our last lesson, we'll recap the 4 phases of root cause problem solving and discuss the cycle of problem solving. By the end of this course, my hope is that you'll have the tools to work through a structured problem-solving framework to identify and solve problems for long-term improvement.